Hi guys, I just wanted to do a really quick unboxing for you. I just got some plants in the post. So yeah, let's have a look. Just be careful not to put my address on camera. This is what it looks like inside. So I think there's 2 plants in here. I can't really remember. They look like they're packaged very nicely. Oh, it's so cute. Okay, I think this might be a plant and a pot. This is a little baby calathia. Look how beautiful she is. Oh, I have a prayer plant, but I don't have a calathia quite like this, so I am very excited. It is plastic packaging, but it's packaged very nicely. There's my little baby calathia. That's how big she is. And look how beautiful the leaves are. Okay. And then I think I have, yes, a nice pot for her as well. Oh, this took a while to arrive, but oh, isn't that cute? It's a little Budda pot. I will link her Etsy down below who this is from. But oh, that's so sweet. And so you can just pop in there. How cute is that? And this was really reasonable. I normally don't buy pots because they can be quite expensive. But this was definitely affordable. And I will link her down below. I am so happy with this. Okay, I'm gonna have to go guys, but have a look down below my Instagram and have a lovely day. Bye.